So this is what we have going on. This is the second day of the snow, and today everything was closed. The school was closed. There is no transportation. People cancel their work today, so we just really like stuck at home. And this is how much snow is falling. As you can see, this is my door. What you call it? This is just my door, and normally the door is about this. Can you see my hand? This low, but this is the amount of snow we've got so far. That's to say how much amount of snow we have had. This is my daughter's snowman that she built, and this is how much snow has fallen and covered it up. So as you can see, this is what we have going on. It's like a proper blizzard. As you can see, it's like wind and snow all joined together. It's absolutely crazy out there. It's deadly. And this is my egg chair. My beautiful egg chair I got on a really good bargain. You would never believe how much. The boss is struggling to go up the hill. Did you see that? Look at that. The boss is struggling to go up the hill. Look at that. Did you see that? The boss is struggling to go up the hill. Have you seen that car there? It's